Alrighty, 2008 to 2012, I believe, two-wheel drive Toyota Highlander. I'm not going to show you everything. This is just the way I do it. It's very, very simple. You see different ways on YouTube probably, but my way. Tire comes off. After the tire comes off, get your axle nut off. Axle nut, if it's OE, it's going to be a 12.30, okay? If it's aftermarket, the aftermarket ones come with an 1.25 inch, 6 point. So after that's off and your axle nut's loose, it's pretty tight, so you probably need an impact or a big breaker bar. I think it's like 200 foot-pounds of torque spec. After axle nut is loose, get you an air hammer, all right? Or a little chisel and hammer or something, and you're gonna tap that firmly. You're gonna tap that axle out. All right, it's gonna move. It's got play in it. It can go back and forth. So just tap it until it moves. You'll see it move like a 1/4 inch or something like that. Once that's done, you know it's loose. Come back around. You got two 19s here on your brake calipers. One there, one there. Take those two up, hang your brake up. All right, hang it on the strut, whatever. I used to use those little S brake hangers, and I just use a 10-gauge wire now. They kept bending on me. Okay, so we got our brake hung up. After that, you're going to take your lower control arm off. There's two 17s or 19s, I forget what these are, and then one bolt. So two nuts, one bolt. I think they're 19s. All right, after that's done, you're almost there. It's pretty quick. You can do this job under 15 minutes. Next thing you're going to do is come back here. Okay, I'm looking at the tire, and you see this carrier bearing right here. Let me see if I can get that focus. You see that carrier bearing? And there's a clip. I got my 2 fingers on it right there. This clip right here, you're going to pull that together. I couldn't get it from the tire side. I had to get it from the back side. Now you have to take the skid plate off and everything. But get it from that this back side, pull it together. I just used a long, big pair of needle nose and was able to get it. And it's going to pop off towards the tire that way. So squeeze it together, push it that way. It's going to pop right off. It's pretty easy. That's it. You don't need to loosen this bolt or anything like that. You're all good. After that's done, you're gonna get a big crowbar or breaker bar like that, and you're gonna be able to, in this control arm right here, you're gonna be able to stick a breaker bar up in there and bend this control arm. It's got a little tension on it, so you're gonna bend it down. When it bends down, those 2 screws are gonna pop out. Right, you got to do it a little firmly, give it a little elbow grease. Once those are popped out, you can slide this whole knuckle back. All right, once it's back, you don't even have to take, you can leave your tie rod on, you can leave your tie rod, you can leave everything on. You can even leave your ABS sensor, everything stays on. So that's all you're going to do. Take this guy out, you're going to put your crowbar in there, pull it down, it's going to pop over to the side, or you have to push it to the side. Once that's done, you're going to have enough play to bring that axle out, right? You're just going to push this whole knuckle out, and that axle is going to come out. After that, you know what to do next, right? Give it a nice firm pull. There's a seat clip in there, right? And it's going to come right out, and then you just reverse the process. So that's it.